Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0979 indicates a short circuit issue with Shift Solenoid Valve C in the Honda Accord models between 2012 and 2017. The role of the Shift Solenoid Valve C is pivotal as it controls the hydraulic pressure supplied to the clutch system, impacting smooth gear transitions. This valve allows for proper shifting between different gear positions, including neutral to first, first to neutral, and neutral to reverse. Troubles with this component may hinder the performance of the automatic transmission, leading to erratic shifts or even inability to shift gears effectively. Located within the transmission assembly, accessing this solenoid often requires significant disassembly. Therefore, identifying and rectifying this issue promptly is critical to maintaining vehicle functionality. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0979 and its implications is essential for maintaining the performance of the Honda Accord models between 2012 and 2017. Recognizing the symptoms associated with this code, such as the illuminated MIL and blinking AT gear indicator, allows for early intervention that can prevent further damage. Thorough diagnostic practices, including utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System and inspecting wiring, are key steps in resolving issues efficiently. By adhering to proper troubleshooting steps and preventive maintenance practices, vehicle owners can ensure a smoother, more reliable driving experience. Ultimately, tackling these issues head-on not only keeps the vehicle in top form, but also ensures long-term satisfaction for the driver. DTC P0979 refers specifically to a malfunction involving Shift Solenoid Valve C, which is integral for regulating hydraulic pressure during gear shifts. The Shift Solenoid Valve C operates in combination with other solenoids, responding to commands from the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. This component is situated within the transmission, closely integrated with the transmission fluid pathways. When activated, it governs the flow of hydraulic pressure to the clutches, facilitating smooth gear shifts. A malfunction here can lead to performance degradation, causing a blinking automatic transmission AT gear position indicator and triggering the malfunction indicator lamp MIL to activate. It's essential to understand that this fault may also suggest underlying issues within the transmission hydraulic circuit. When diagnosing the DTC P0979, several potential causes need to be considered. First, there might be a short to ground in the Shift Solenoid Valve C wiring, which can disrupt the electrical signal and cause incorrect operation. Alternatively, an internal short circuit, specifically within the solenoid itself, can prevent it from functioning correctly. Another potential cause could be an open power supply line, which would interrupt the solenoid's ability to receive the necessary voltage. Additionally, a short to ground in the power supply can lead to similar symptoms, effectively cutting off power to the solenoid. Lastly, a failure within the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, itself could also lead to erroneous readings or commands being sent to the shift solenoid, thus triggering the DTC. Drivers may notice several symptoms when DTC P0979 is triggered. The most immediate indication will be the illumination of the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, on the dashboard. This warning signals that there is a problem within the transmission system. Additionally, the AT gear position indicator begins to blink, indicating that the transmission is experiencing issues. Drivers may also experience erratic shifting behavior, which can manifest as harsh or delayed shifts between gears. This can detract from driving comfort and may lead to further transmission damage if left unaddressed. Identifying these symptoms early is vital for preventing more significant mechanical issues down the road. To initiate the troubleshooting process for DTC P0979, the first step is to start the engine and allow it to reach idle. After the engine is running, shift the gear selector to the Park P position. It is crucial to remain in this position for at least 1 second to ensure that the system can properly recognize the shift and monitor for errors. This initial condition helps the diagnostic system verify the functioning of the shift solenoid valves and allows for any malfunction codes to be generated if there are issues with the transmission. This lays the groundwork for further testing and diagnosis by confirming the operational state of the vehicle's transmission. In the second step, it is essential to connect the Honda Diagnostic System (HDS) tool to the vehicle's onboard diagnostic port. This tool will allow technicians to read any stored DTCs in the Powertrain Control Module (PCM) and verify if DTC P0979 is present. Additionally, the HDS can be used to check the operational status of the shift solenoid valves and other related components. Confirming that the PCM is functioning correctly is vital, as it communicates with the transmission and determines the operational state of the electric components. If the DTC persists, it may indicate a deeper issue, requiring further investigation into wiring, solenoid integrity, or potential PCM faults. In the third troubleshooting step, the focus shifts to the physical inspection of the Shift Solenoid Valve C wiring. Technicians should examine the harness for any signs of damage, corrosion, or exposed wires that could contribute to shorts or open circuits. Using a multimeter, it is crucial to test for continuity in the wiring harness to ensure there are no breaks inside the wires. Additionally, resistance testing can determine if the solenoid itself is functioning correctly within its specified range. These checks are essential to rule out any electrical issues before delving deeper into the valve or control module components. After completing all necessary repairs or replacements related to DTC P0979, a final verification is crucial to ensure that the issue has been resolved. Start by clearing the DTC from the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, using the diagnostic tool. Subsequently, perform a road test under various driving conditions to monitor the vehicle's performance closely. During this test, pay attention to the shifting behavior and observe if the AT gear position indicator operates normally without blinking. After the road test, recheck the DTCs in the PCM to verify that the DTC P0979 does not reappear. This thorough approach ensures that the repair has effectively addressed the underlying issue. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0979, proper maintenance of the vehicle's transmission system is crucial. Regularly checking the transmission fluid level and condition can help identify issues before they develop into severe problems. It's equally important to inspect electrical connections leading to the shift solenoid valves, ensuring they are secure and free of corrosion. Should any issues or anomalies be detected, addressing them promptly can prevent cascading failures. This proactive approach to maintenance not only extends the life of the transmission, but also enhances overall vehicle performance, ensuring safer and smoother driving experiences. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.